ועכשיו אנחנו שמחים וגאים לארח כאן בישראל ובאולפן צינור לילה את כוכבת הרשת הגדולה של השנה.
There's nothing wrong with loving who you are. She said 'cause he made you perfect, babe. So hold your head up and you'll go far. Listen to me when I say I'm beautiful in my way, 'cause God makes no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't hide your...
כן, 65 מיליון איש צפו במריה ארגון, מאז שהסרטון הזה עלה לפני 8 חודשים בלבד, זה הכל. הסרטון הזה שבו היא מבצעת את שירה של ליידי גגה, האמת הוא היה רק ההתחלה, כי אחר כך הגיעו תוכניות האירוח, כמובן כאן למשל אתם רואים אותה אצל אלן דג'נרס, ואז הגיעה שיחת טלפון מאוד מפתיעה בתוכנית רדיו שמריה התארחה בה, תשמעו.
Hi, this is Lady Gaga. Oh! Maria. Hi, Maria.
Hi, Lady Gaga.
I was so overjoyed that I began to cry. When I saw you so young and so beautiful singing those words so purely, it reminded me why I wrote the song in the first place.
Now, Lady Gaga, we're flying Maria in to see your show in Toronto in March.
Well, maybe you're just going to have to come on stage with me and sing that song. What do you think?
That'd be really cool. I'm beautiful in my way, 'cause God makes no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't hide yourself in regret, just love yourself and you're set. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way.
כן, את ההופעה עצמה עם ליידי גגה אנחנו נראה עוד מעט, אבל אנחנו נראה אותה עם מישהי שלא צפתה בזה הרבה זמן, עם מריה בעצמה. Hey Maria!
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
How's Israel until now?
It's really, really beautiful, and I'm really happy that I got the chance to be here.
And tell me a little bit about your visit. What were you doing?
Well, I sang for a Google event called Power by You.
And you've been to Jerusalem also?
Yes, we went to Jerusalem today.
What were you doing in Jerusalem?
We were shooting a video also for Google.
And what was in the video? I heard there was some horses over there, right?
Yes, we rode on a carriage there, drawn by horses, and actually one horse. It was really, really stinky because the horse, he kind of pooed. And
what were you thinking about Marina Maximilian Blumin? She's singer almost as good as you.
Oh, she's way better than me. She's
really?
super talented, and she's really nice and very, very beautiful.
Now, tell me in your words about the moment that you realized that you are going to perform with Lady Gaga.
Well, it all happened really, really fast. When Lady Gaga first said hi, I was really, really excited, and I just felt so...
You cried?
Yes, I cried.
You know what? Let's see together the exact moment that you sang together on stage. Let's see this. So, I think that you're going to cry one more time here.
No. It's just looking back at it, it was lots of fun, and it's basically the reason that I got here to Israel, and getting to look at that again. I haven't looked at it in a while, and it brings back a lot of good memories.
You're 11 now, right?
Yes.
How is being so famous internationally at the age of 11?
It's really
strange.
fun, and it's kind of something that not a lot of 11-year-olds get to do, and it's just really, really fun getting to meet a lot of people and getting to travel to different places.
All around the world?
Mm-hmm. People.
How silly will I sound if I ask you, what do you want to do when you grow up?
Well, I think I want to be a singer for now.
That will be a good idea, you know what? I think it's a good idea. By the way, are you still in touch with Lady Gaga?
We are in touch with her managers, but since she's really busy, we don't really get to talk
She's
to her.
busy, huh? So if she's watching us right now, because I know she loves our show, give her a call, Lady Gaga. Okay, Maria, we thank you very much for coming, but we are not letting you go yet. We will see you in a few minutes. In the meantime, thank you very much.
Thank you.